Welcome back. It's been a green morning across Asia, and the SGX Nifty is telling us that we are going to choose exactly that color. Up and about. There we go, about 85 points higher on that index. Siddarth Bhamre, Director of Alternate Investments and Research at InCred Equities, is now with us for some ideas on the futures and options side of the market. Siddarth, good Monday morning to you. So it's all green thanks to the Fed. You tell us, what trades are you looking at today?
Good morning, Sylvie. So yeah, to an extent, yes, Fed might be responsible for this one-day up move. But overall, irrespective of what Fed has been talking or indicating, this market has been in its own uptrend. And especially Indian markets should be, previous week, not last week, we were the best performing markets when everybody was correcting substantially. We corrected less than 0.5%. And last week, when most of the markets are showing bounce back or they bounce back, we bounce back along with them. We may not be the best performing market in last week, but overall, if you see, we are falling less and we are rising more, which clearly indicates that we are in a strong uptrend. And you are near all-time highs. You are making new all-time high on daily basis or weekly basis. So yes, we are heading higher. FI is also forming long positions. We are seeing they buying substantially in stock futures. So we have been telling this time and again that what they do in cash market from short-term perspective doesn't matter. What they do in FNO matters the most. And last 5-6 trading session on daily basis, they have been piling up stock futures position. And we all know that last leg of this rally has been driven by mainly large caps. Mid cap and small caps are not performing. So this index is heading higher. Just a slight concern which I have right now. Just first day of new series, September series. And Nifty open interest, futures open interest is almost touching the peak of last series. So there seemed to be a consensus. Consensus doesn't mean that it can always go wrong. What I would suggest is stay long, but hedge your positions by buying put options. IVs have corrected, puts are cheap.
Okay. Siddarth, hi, good morning. So you want to give us some individual stocks? I mean, what would you be looking at in terms of buys and sells? What are the big trends looking like for this series?
Good morning, Sonia. So last 2-3 weeks on your channel, we have been mainly recommending large cap stocks. We started with IT, then, some of the other names, and then banking like ICICI, HDFC Bank. And we want to stick to that theme. And hence we have Reliance and L&T as a buy call now. Reliance has been underperformer, and I'm talking from 6-7 months perspective. It has been moving in a range with slight negative bias. And if you join all peaks of Reliance in this calendar year, and the bottoms, you will get a triangular pattern, and Reliance is on verge of breaking that. 2 sessions back, we did see formation of long positions, 4-5% rise in open interest. That's on Wednesday, and we spoke about this on Thursday as well, that how Reliance is looking good. It consolidated. It is on verge of a breakout. I would suggest, one should go long over here with a target and stop loss mentioned on your screen. The other name is L&T. Here too, we have been seeing piling up of long positions. Stock did give, a decent move in last 2-3 months. But since last couple of weeks, Sonia, it has been consolidating. And again, Friday's move gave us an encouraging sign both from volume as well as OI perspective that stock is looking good. So this is one name we would, suggest even, on the fund side to be heavyweight or increase the exposure. L&T is a buy with a target and stop loss on history.
Okay, thanks a lot, Siddarth, for those trading ideas. That's some calls for the day.